Stay tuned. You do not want to miss this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? So let's get started. Welcome everyone to the channel. I am Dr. Linda Likely. Today I'll be talking to you about bigger refund, how to get a bigger refund, a tax refund. I've been sharing a lot of information to help those who are single with no dependents. So I'm gonna be going over 3 different ways in this video, and make sure that you watch until the end. Okay, you have to watch the whole thing to get all of it. For those of you who haven't, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Okay, then you'll be notified when I upload videos and go live. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It's important for you to use these methods, or to use this, what I'm sharing with you, so you'll be able to get a bigger tax refund. Now, I have shared in prior video to this some information to help people who were single with no dependents. So if you haven't watched that playlist on the tax preparation playlist, go back and watch the tax preparation playlist, and then you'll be seeing the videos on how to complete tax preparation and more information, and also about getting a bigger tax refund. So today, in order for you to be able to get a bigger tax refund, it's important for you to know the tax laws. I know a lot of people like to do tax preparation on their own because they don't want to pay the tax preparation fees, right? They don't want to pay the tax preparer fees. But it's important for you, whether you have a tax preparer or you do it yourself, to understand and know the tax laws. Once you understand the tax laws, you'll know the credits and deduction and the things you can take advantage of for you to get a bigger tax refund, okay? You can take advantage of number 2, what I'm finna share with you, the credits and deductions. The credits and deductions. I'm gonna share with you also this on the screen. I did a video on this, and this is how to complete tax preparation. It's under that playlist. Get the tax credits and deductions. Like I said, number 1, you're going to make sure that you know the tax laws. And I shared that video at the beginning of 2023 about the 2022 tax law update. Even if you choose a tax preparer or you do it yourself, it's important for you to know. Again, credits and deductions. Once you take advantage of the credits and deductions, which is not that many credits this tax season like it was last tax season, because everything switched back to 2019, right? It was a lot of tax credits last year that people could take advantage of that is not available. But it's important for you to get a big refund. You got to know the tax credits and deductions. You can go to IRSgov to learn this, and I did that again. And for those of you who want to go back and watch that tax preparation playlist on the credits and deduction, is on that when we get through with this video. I'm gonna increase my screen. So when you go to IRS.gov, I'm gonna enlarge it, my slides. Make sure you go to the credits and deductions. Once you go there and you see all the credits and deduction, you're going to click on them, okay? And that will take you to the credits and deduction. That will enable you to be able to get a bigger refund, rather if you do it yourself, because some people do tax preparation themselves with TurboTax and all the free different ones. Or a tax preparer. The tax preparer should already know all the credits and deductions that will help you get a big refund if you have no dependents, okay? I have people come to me that don't know the credits and deductions, you know, and they have had people before me to do their tax return, and they'd be surprised that some of their children are in college with the 1098T form. If you know that credit for the college credit, you'll be missing out on $1,000 added to your refund for college credit. So it's important, you guys, to know the credits and deductions. And then for you who don't, like I said, don't have all of that dependents and things, that you can take advantage. For those of you who are in college with no dependents, maybe you're in college right now or last year, and you don't even know about the credits and deduction of the 1098T. That should be coming in your the mailbox, the 1098T, if you took college courses last year, the education credit. So learn to take advantage of these credits and deductions, and yes, you can get a bigger refund. I know a lot of people don't believe it. How is that possible? But it can make a big difference in your refund for those of you who don't know. Also, I shared also the W-4 form. A lot of people disagreed with me on that last video, but that W-4 form, when you complete that W-4 form, and I know it's different from what it used to be. Let me take the top off of this, you guys, off of this so you can see the top of it. Okay. The employee withholding certificate. Once you complete this form, if you have no dependents, you got to go down to 4, line 4C. If you want them to withhold more taxes out for you, to get a bigger refund, so you won't have to owe, or you know, you can go to that line and it'll help you. Okay, it used to be that you had to go to and file a 0 on allowance. You used to have line 5 or step 5 for you to do that, but now it's the signature is on line 5. But if you do not want to take advantage of that, it's fine. Again, you have to take you have to do what's best for you. I'm gonna say that. Do what's best for you. That is gonna help you. If you feel like you want to get more at the throughout the year, get more out throughout the year, and you don't have to put that on it. Because right now with these forms, you know, when they change them, they're not taxing you at your employer, not taxing you like they used to do. So if you want to withhold a little bit more to get a bigger refund, this will definitely help you. Those of you who are wanting it. Okay, but again, if you don't, it's okay too. You want to get more through the year. This is to help people who usually owe, or they want a refund or a bigger refund. This is just some of the tips that I'm sharing on this video. Okay, for those of you who have been asking me about doing tax preparation with me, make sure you go down to the link that you see on the bottom of this video, live.faceta.com/site/by-grace-tax. Okay, you guys, you have to schedule an appointment with me. I'm giving you a reminder since I am live right now to let you know you have to schedule an appointment with me. And if you call, you're gonna have to leave a voicemail, because I'll be doing tax preparation. I'll always be doing tax preparation, so it's impossible to answer every call that people be calling while we're doing tax preparation. So make sure you schedule an appointment on the portal. The link is down in this video as well, and I also will always post it in the comments. But make sure you click the link in the description of this video, and then you'll learn more about me and learn also about By Grace Tax Services LLC. Okay, you guys, I hope this helps you. Again, the links are down in the video to learn more about me and to learn more about By Grace Tax Services LLC. If you take advantage of everything that I share in this video, you will get a bigger refund, and will get one. For those of you who have owed and not received one, you will get one. Okay, also make sure when you choose your tax preparer, make sure you choose wisely, you guys. And for those of you who have already chosen your tax preparer, I cannot go behind them. Okay, if you chose that person to do your tax return and you submit it to the IRS, you have to go back to them and discuss anything with your tax return with them. Okay, All right, I hope this helped you, and I hope that you get a big refund. Or if you didn't get a big refund or a bigger refund or a refund, maybe this video will help you next year and make sure that you get one. All right, y'all have a great one.